Prime dominoes activity, the setup is similar to Prime Hunt. You would have a set of dominoes face down on a flat surface, and you will have the same setup where students are kind of lined up in columns or sitting down in a row of chairs or what have you, or maybe standing up, and they would run to the table where the dominoes are at. They would give 30 seconds, and the objective is to flip over the dominoes and add up, all of the different dominoes until they get to a prime number. You will have all the prime numbers listed for each respective team, 2 through 97 for Group A, 2 through 97 for Group B, and Group A might get, within one person's turn, 2 and 37, and Group B might get 2 and 97. So at the end of the actual activity, you tally up all of the scores from each group, and you will see who wins. With the dominoes that we have, each number is assigned a color, and this is just how it is on the dominoes. So all ones might be green, all twos might be blue, all threes might be whatever, red. And we have a chart listed up that says, all blues are 1, so some people will not necessarily have to, look and sit and really count all of the dots, but it's an option for them. But you might have some people who have a different way of grasping, the concept, and can look at brown and green and know that brown and green equals 10 all the time. So it'll be a different way for them to kind of equate and get to the prime number. Sometimes it works faster, sometimes it doesn't, but that game definitely embodies the learning style of the Young People's Project.
Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Switch!
One of the other activities that we do is called Prime Hunt. There'll be maybe 2 or 3 different groups set up, and students will be lined up or sitting in chairs. The first person from each group would run up to a table where prime number cards are set up. Prime number cards will have a set of numbers, 0 to 100. One person from each group will run up and will have 10 seconds to flip over the cards and identify as many prime numbers as possible. Once a prime number is identified, that person will hand a prime number to a judge. If it's a number that they feel is not a prime number, they will put it back face down. And then maybe the judge or whoever is the timekeeper would say switch.
Switch.
You can't cheat, huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 10. Switch.
Switch! Whoa!
Switch, come on.
The objective is to get as many prime numbers as possible. At the end of the game, the judges tally up the scores, and scores are defined as every prime number is worth 2 points, and composite numbers are worth -1 point.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3.
The musical chairs activity was an activity to reinforce the concept of what are the prime numbers. You would have students that would think automatically that any prime number that they hear that's an odd number would be, a prime number, which is not the case. And, for the first couple of rounds, when I was calling out the number 9, students were sitting down. And eventually, they got up, when we played over and over again, they was just like, oh, no, it's not a prime number because 1 times 9, 3 times 3, oh, it can't be a prime number. So whenever I called 9 later on to kind of trick them or whatever, they knew, okay, 9 is not a prime number. And it's sort of like repetition and things like that. So it was more so to reinforce what a prime and composite numbers are.
Speed it up. Speed it up. 65. Oh, got a lot. Speed it up. Speed it up. Well, speed it up. Speed it up. Reverse. 55. Ooh. Ooh.
Yo, what's up, champion?
Reverse. Get it down to the wire. Speed it up. Speed it up. 12, 15, 16, 18, 9. Oh, got 2. Oh, stop quick. Let's go. 9, 17, 23. All right. I need y'all to do it one more time. Line up the chairs. Let's go.
The YPP Let's Go activity is an icebreaker that we've been using throughout the summer camps and after school programs.
YPP, let's go. Starting with 0, 0, 8, 8.
8, 8, 2, 2. 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8.
The way it works is that you will have a group of students sit in a circle or stand in a circle, and each student will be assigned a number starting with 0. And what would happen is that they would count to enough numbers equal to the amount of people within the group. The objective is 1, to stay on beat, and 2, kind of keep an idea or register the amount of other people that are within the group and their numbers. So you will have somebody start off with 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, and it's pretty much a nonverbal way of passing on the spotlight to whoever is 2. So 2's responsibility is now to call on another number within the group. So it's 2, 2, 4, 4. So now it's 4 responsibility to, call on the next person.
YPP, let's go. Starting with 0, 0, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2. 4, 4, 9, 9, 9.
In the event that you don't stay on the beat, then you're eliminated from the circle. The only other way that you could be eliminated from the circle is calling out a number that is not within the circle. So let's say if 3 got eliminated, 0 could not say 0, 0, 3, 3 because 3 is not within the circle. So it takes a certain amount of focus and memorization and just being able to pay attention to your environment.
YPP, let's go.
Starting with 0, 0, 0, 6, 6.
6, 6, 1, 1. Bye, Valina.
0, 0, 5, 5.
5, 5, 2, 2.
2, 2, 3, 3.
3, 3, 4. What else you got?
Early.
How did it?
My name is Dayton David. I am the program coordinator of the Young People's Project, Greater Boston area, as well as a national trainer for the overall national program. The Young People's Project is primarily a community-based program that gets youth to take actions towards their education. The mission statement is to get people, to organize young people to radically change their education and the way they relate to it. So the program is geared towards empowering youth. One of the main focuses of the program is the component of math literacy, which has been an issue for a lot of youth, especially minorities. And so the program promotes math literacy through youth. So it is students teaching students, learning from students, and things of that nature.